Let's make fettuccine Alfredo. First, let's add half a stick of butter. Let's let that melt down. Then you add 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream. So let's do that. So 1 cup. And then you add a 1/2 cup. And then boil a pot of water. So grab a pot. And then we'll fill this with water. We have our pot. Now let's fill it with water. Don't fill it too high. There it is. Now I'm going to stir this up. Then add a cup of Parmesan cheese. Let that melt down. And then you're going to want to just keep stirring this for about 5 minutes. Oh, and add some garlic. So let's add some garlic. I'm gonna add a few spoonfuls of this. Like 3 spoonfuls. That should be good. Maybe a little more. And add a little bit of salt. A few pinches. Add in pepper. And stir it all up for about like 5 minutes. Now for the water. Salt it. Then you're gonna want to boil that at high heat. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Alrighty, the water is boiling. Now I'll put the pasta in. And we'll let this pasta get nice and soft. Alright, so add some of the boiling water. So add a little bit of boiling water and pour it in to the sauce. There you go. Now plate this. Hey guys, as you can see, it is now done. I will take a bite. Alright guys, now I'll take a bite. Delicious. Click subscribe if you want to see more. Bye guys.